I have such a I wish I could have known my father as a grown-up when I was really grown up. And he died relatively early in my life, and I think he was a really interesting person. And so, and I don't mean in the way of just madly loving everything he was. I don't think I probably would have. But I think that were I to have met him on the street and had a cup of coffee with him and sat down and talked to him, that I would have been enchanted by the diversity in him. These very odd things, you know, being a communist and a mystic. It's just sort of a very odd combination of things, and I think that his mind just flew. I think it just flew in so many directions. And I think he would have been, and for anyone, a very interesting person to know. I can see why people had high regard for him. And well, I'm sure there were things that I would not have connected with, or that would have been downright irritating. It would be wonderful to be able to know him now. I mean, I feel the same way about my mother, but it's different because she was so different. Whereas I think in some ways I'm much more like my father. Not very, but there are enough things coming into me that have formed my life that I think are similar.